The hinge rod is part of your mower's side discharge door assembly. The metal rod both holds the door and spring in place and allows the door to pivot. The rod can rust over time and eventually break. It can also wear and work itself out, causing it to become lost. Replacing the hinge rod is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the hinge pin from the door. I'll use a punch and hammer to get the pin started. Then I'll use needle nose pliers to pull the pin free. Now install the new pin. I'll align the spring so one of the posts is inserted through the small hole in the door. I'll align the door hinge with the hinge bracket on the deck. I'll insert the pin through the door hinge and then into the hinge bracket. Now I need to pull the other leg of the hinge out and on top of the deck. I'll use a hammer to tap the pin through the door and into the other end of the hinge bracket. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.